made the very difficult decision to not quit. I am also in a season of not being afraid to let you see me try. So these are the top 3 things that we're doing in order to improve the brand. I do mean me. Okay, so number 1, the first thing I did was change the shipping policy. Y'all been in my DMs and my comments talking about it's taking too long to ship, and baby, I got time today. Although everything is 100% vegan, handmade, and organic, I could improve the shipping time. So how did I do that? I created systems to allow me to ship within
5 business days.
Now, as far as business goes, it does not include the weekend. So, honey, please remember, Sunday, they don't ship. But I'm seeing it on big business. If you're big business. Now, the other thing that I have included was
upgraded the packaging.
Okay, Exhibit A, go ahead and check up there in order to match the personality. Okay, it's a big personality, gotta do big things, okay?
Mwah.
No Photoshop. Now, the very last thing that I did was incorporate
the chat box.
Okay, because them little Twitter fingers can't move that fast. Okay, that little AI bot gonna go ahead and get you all the way together. She gonna answer about 95% of your questions, and if you got something else to ask, we got you. By we, I do mean my very small team. That's
big business. Big business.
Okay. I want to thank each and every last flawless babe, okay, that has supported me throughout the years. Because it could have been another way, but you decided to stay. One thing for sure, 2 things for certain, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that you see me working. Because I'm a boss. Bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a boss. That's just a little bit goofy. For those of y'all that don't know me, I'm Samantha. I'm an herbalist, personal trainer, and your new favorite glow coach. I'm here to make sure you look good with the tea and feel even better. Honestly, making you hotter than ever. Let's get it.